When you're taking a physics class, these two words, conductors and insulators, can come up pretty frequently. So in this video, I'm just going to clarify a couple of the differences between them. And the biggest difference is that conductors have freely moving electrons, while insulators have electrons that can shift between or within the atoms, but they're still bound to those atoms. So pretty much a conductor looks kind of like this. All of the electrons are free to move around, so they are moving, but since they have similar charges, which are negative, they also repel each other. So they don't come into contact with each other, but they do move around freely. And they're going to try to stay away from each other as far as possible, so they're going to try to achieve a more even distribution within the material. Now, if I actually put a positive charge over here, we'll see more electrons migrate toward this side because of the opposite attraction of the charges. In an insulator, though, while the electrons are still pretty much evenly distributed within their atoms, if I put a positive charge over here, though, all of the electrons won't be able to move this way. They're just going to be on the right side of each atom that they're within. So because of this difference, when we take a look at this one, where all of the electrons are pretty much as close as they can possibly be to the positive charge, we call this the sea of electrons model. And it's a pretty intuitive description because you can pretty much just imagine the electrons swimming around, not really confined to anything. So conductors are usually metals, and that leaves the non-metals to be insulators. So these are pretty much the main differences between conductors and insulators, and I hope this helped.